The bolt and the spring-loaded securing bracket that are supplied with this mounting stand make it possible to attach the stand between the studs of a hollow interior drywall surface. Do not drill into any wall without first determining if there are plumbing pipes or electrical wiring within the wall. Serious damage or injury may result if this precaution is not taken. This wall mount works with the Tomahawk and the Eaglehawk. When we mount the Tomahawk, all we're doing is just sliding on into these arms until the hooks come out, and that's on. And if you want to give it a little bank, since it's a helicopter, but probably don't want to go too far with banking it up or down, as the acrylic might bend a little bit. But